Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. If this is your first time, a warm welcome. To all my supporters and all my channel members, a big thank you. I really appreciate you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. Let's make some stew pork my way, my version, my style. Yeah, man.
Yeah, my cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J. The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like, sister.
So I wash the pork with vinegar and lime, and all the seasoning that I'm using right now is right here on the left. I'm gonna go ahead and add all these seasoning. Then I add some oil so the seasoning can stick onto the meat. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put the post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. After adding all those seasoning, I add some oil, and then I add the green seasoning, and I massage the pork nicely. And after which, I put in the refrigerator to marinate overnight. Here I have the pot on the fire, and I'm adding some oil to the pot, followed by some garlic and ginger. Trying to be careful not to have the garlic burn. So now I'm going to add the pork to the pot. So I'm just going to go ahead and brown up this nicely. So yes, guys. So after browning up this pork, I'm going to go ahead and add some water to it. So this is what the pork look like. See that? So I'm going to add some hot water. And the reason why I'm adding hot water is because I don't want to break the temperature down. So I'm adding some hot water to this. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more ginger, pimento, thyme, scallion, and onion. Just going to go ahead and mix and combine. Add some more all-purpose seasoning to that. And some more paprika. So I'm going to add some carrots. And they smell good. Now I'm adding some bell pepper. Now I'm adding some ketchup. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix this up nicely. Yes, guys, pork smell good and look good too. Cover and simmer down. Yes, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this thyme stem. And as I always said, in your kitchen, you do you. I'm in my kitchen, I do me. I'm doing it my way, my version, and my style. Now I'm adding the hot pepper. Yes, couldn't complete with this without this Scotch bonnet pepper. The difference is I'm not going to cut it up because the people them afraid of pepper. There you have it, lovely people. My stew pork is ready. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, where I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Yummy, yummy.
food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine. So please subscribe. As you start putting me on for do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment.